Want to create stunning videos in minutes without the editing struggle? Let's dive into the game-changing world of CapCut templates on your PC. First things first, make sure you have CapCut installed and open on your computer if you don't have it yet. You can download it easily from the official CapCut website. On the main CapCut screen, look for the Templates button, usually located in the top menu bar, or on the left-hand side, click on it to access the template library. You'll be greeted with a vast collection of predestined templates, ready to transform your footage. These are categorized, so you can easily browse by different styles, like vlogs, intros, social media clips, or even specific trends. See something you like? Hover over a template to get a quick preview of what it looks like. This is a great way to see if the style and flow match your video idea. Once you've found the perfect template, simply click on it. You'll then see a prominent button to Use Template, or something similar. Click this to load the template into your editing timeline. Now, your CapCut timeline will be prefilled with the template's arrangement of clips, effects, and transitions. Notice the placeholder sections where your own media will go. The next crucial step is to replace the placeholders with your own video clips and photos. CapCut will usually prompt you to import these files directly when you open the template. Simply drag and drop your media files from your computer directly onto the corresponding placeholder sections in the CapCut timeline. CapCut is smart and will often automatically adjust the clip duration to fit the placeholder. Do this for all the placeholder sections and watch your video come to life with the template's professionally designed look. You can swap clips, reorder them within the template's structure if you wish, and even adjust the timing slightly. Most templates also include editable text. Click on any text element in the timeline, and you'll be able to change the wording, font, color, and size to personalize your message. And just like that, you've applied a professional-looking template for your video project on PC with CapCut. It's an incredibly efficient way to save time, elevate your content, and make your videos stand out. Happy editing!